Hi there! Welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook lamb with fennel. Fennel is very important vegetable, especially in winter. It helps you to digest. It's very tasty. It has a little bit of sweetness that you can notice. This dish is very classic and authentic. I learned it from my mom and I used to eat it when I was a kid. This dish is very tasty and easy and well balanced. We have protein from lamb and we have fiber from fennel. We have vitamin C from lemon. This dish is very suitable for winter. In a saucepan, put 2 tablespoons of healthy oil, 2 diced onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well. Whenever this mixture starts to boil, put your meat. When this mixture starts to boil, put your meat in it and flip over your meat time to time. Whenever your meat absorbs this seasoning and change its color, like you are frying it, now it's time to add your hot water. Add your hot water and cook your meat for about 1 hour. Because I didn't have too much time, I transferred my meat from this saucepan to my cooker pressure. I cooked it for about 1 hour and now it's time to clean our fennel. Clean up your fennel by taking the top part out and check out the bottom. If it needs any clean, take out the dark spots. Cut out your fennel in 4 pieces. Wash your fennel and soak it in water with a little bit of lemon and set it aside until you need it. After 1 hour, your meat is well cooked. Take it out from your sauce carefully. We don't want to lose our meat shape. Set it aside and cook your fennel in this sauce for about 15 minutes. For whitening our sauce and give it a little bit of lemon taste, we have to use 1 yolk, half lemon juice, little bit of fresh parsley, and little bit of sauce that we have cooked before. After 15 minutes, I will check my fennel with my knife. Whenever my knife goes through my fennel, it means my fennel is well cooked. Now I will take a little bit of this sauce and mix it with my yolk, lemon, and parsley. Turn your stove off, mix this mixture very well, throw it inside your sauce. This mixture helps your sauce to be more thick. Lemon will give more freshness to your sauce and will decrease the sweetness of the fennel. This step is very important to your dish and you can't skip it. Now my dish is ready to serve. I lined up my meat in the middle of my dish and surround it with fennel. Sprinkle some parsley on the top of your dish. Squeeze some lemon, and your dish is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. My meat is very well cooked. My fennel is smooth. The taste of meat with fennel, lemon, and parsley is a taste of heaven. This dish is very remarkable dish. If you try it, you will never forget it. Please try this recipe and leave me a comment how it came out with you. I hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!